Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you have bypassed audio on Roblox and upload it on Roblox directly. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So all you have to do is go over to the website create.roblox.com. This is basically the creator studio for Roblox. And once you are there, you should be in this page right here. All you have to do is select the creations tab on the left side and go over to development items and go ahead and navigate to audio here. And once you are there, you can now upload your asset that you have. You can name it and also describe it also. And you have the option to upload it. Take note that it is only MP3 and OGG formats available, and uploads must be less than 7 minutes, and the max file size is 20 megabytes. So once you are done with this, you just have to upload the file that you want and then click on the upload button and you should be good to go, guys. So there, guys, that is all for the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.